Check it out, people. Yeah, trying to sell another one. Got ourselves a slant back, slant booty, bustle back, however you want to call these damn things. Seville. That looks odd to me. Yeah. 85. You want 18.99. What do y'all think? Of course, you got the faux continental kit, and these deals here. I've it's like a Houston thing. Got your dice, your carpet, and man, it's just fancy. Of course, it being Cadillac. She looks fairly straight, but I don't know. It's a little worn to me. Doors are all locked. Interiors, you know, it's there, but it's seen better days. I think I saw on the speedometer like 60,000, at least 160, if not more. Can't open the hood, so this will be a quickie. Whether it runs and drives, who knows? Let me get the fan for you real quick. Dash is cracked. Wish I could get the RPO codes. No dice. Yeah, I can't really see much in there. Let's look underneath. Yeah, fairly. Don't look too bad underneath. Oh, she's been off the road. So the blue on this tire, man, but it's dry rotted. Anyways, what do y'all think? Even if it runs and drives, is it worth $18.99? Oh, that's it. Dang, I thought I'd avoid that sound. All right, people, on to the next one.